A very pleasant morning to each one of us here today. It is indeed pleasant, for we are celebrating the achievements our efforts earned us. Being completely honest, standing here to deliver a speech in front of such an amazing crowd of hardworking individuals is quite nerve-wracking and a little bit overwhelming. It fills me with a range of emotions such as nervousness, fear, disbelief, and excitement. And maybe some of you even feel the same way. But I came to realize that these emotions are a natural part of any achievements. It is a reminder of how much effort each of us here today has put into reaching this moment. I am truly honored to be able to represent and reflect the achievements attained by our batch here in Limay Senior High School. Each student here today faced numerous challenges head-on, having their own story to tell, and I wish I could speak of them as well as my way of honoring each one of us. Though we don't have the luxury of time, I am sure that there are plenty of things that we share before we reach this moment of reverie. We surely share experiences where we went through different odds, but we certainly share winning moments over them as we all exerted hard work, determination, resilience, and courage. So please take a moment to breathe in and give yourselves a big round of applause. This moment of us won't be possible without our reliable support system. That is why I want to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who have been a part of this journey, because I know that without them, everything would not be possible. To my parents and family, I am and will always be thankful for the unconditional love, for the endless support and encouragement they provided me. Their love became my greatest foundation and my backbone in life. To our school principals, to all of our teachers, non-teaching staffs, and to my class advisor, Mrs. Andrea Aldueza, thank you for your patience, dedication, and guidance. We thank you for being our guide that led us to what we have achieved today. I am deeply grateful for the inspiration, wisdom, and knowledge you provided along the way. To my classmates, friends, and my best friends, Seska, Jordan, and Miguel, thank you for having my back when things were tough. Through ups and downs, I will always appreciate your trust and support. And of course, I thank God for being my constant source of strength, for lending me His shoulder when I needed Him most, and celebrating with me during the moments of happiness. Without His love, I wouldn't be able to stand here today to represent my fellow students. I know that with Him, there is no challenge too great to overcome. Looking back, I remember people from social media portraying 11th grade as something petrifying, even going to such lengths as making those videos with the audio. Ito na ba yung Kalye Impierno, or is this the street of hell? They warned me of the overwhelming workloads, the sleepless nights, the struggles, unhappiness, regrets, the drama that awaits, and the rumors being whispered here and there about competition, friendship, and everything in between. They painted 11th grade as something like a perspiration. So when I stepped into our school for the first time, I braced myself for the storm that will hunt me. I sat inside of our once unfamiliar classroom, already feeling quite dejected by the mere fact that suffering will now begin. I thought that I had to prepare for the endless chaos and stress, for a battle that I cannot win. But as the days turned into weeks and the weeks turned into months, I came to realize that those warnings were quite far from the truth. It dawned on me that the reality was different from the fear The tunnel we're all going to enter was devoid of any light. Though I was given the opportunity to stand here today to represent my fellow students, I need to admit that I was wrong. What was waiting for me rather were the memories I shared with my friends, the wisdom and knowledge my teachers shared, and the growth that I experienced. This leads me to a quote shared by Taylor Swift that life is not about surviving the storm. It is about learning how to dance in the rain. Just like a storm, life can be demanding and unpredictable. Even so, by looking at it as a chance to grow, we can turn it into something more beautiful. We can choose to dance in the rain, to make most out of every moment. As we move forward from this moment, we will proceed with our next journey. And just like the hurdles we've faced in the past, we will continue to stumble upon these as we continue to reach for our dreams. That is why I encourage everyone to remember the acronym ABM that stands for Ambition, Bravery, and Motivation. Your strong desire to grasp what you want is your ambition. Let your ambition guide you to constantly strive for growth, to look for new opportunities, and to challenge yourself to become the person you want to be. Bravery isn't just about doing things you're typically afraid of. It's also about acting despite of it. As I've said earlier, life will continue to throw rocks at us as we continue walking this path. But bravery is what allows us to continue walking despite of the possible wounds we might get during the long run. When you feel like the weight of everything is too much to bear, that's when motivation does its role. It is the reason behind why we're doing something, why we want to achieve something, and that's what's pushing us to reach for that goal, to reach for that star. The foundation of the acronym ABM will guide us as we all continue with our paths, so let us not dust it off from our minds. Once again, take a moment to appreciate the fruits of the tree everyone planted with time and effort. What more can I say? Great, so here we come. Congratulations to everyone.